The quality of the generator set installation will directly affect the performance, reliability, and service life. So, what should be paid attention to during installation? First, the engine room. The installation environment should be flat and clean, and unobstructed around, and avoid stacking unrelated items. Enough space should be reserved around the unit. The distance between the rear end and the rear wall is recommended to be more than 2 meters. The distance between the front and the front wall is recommended to be more than 1.2 meters. The distance between the side and the side wall is recommended to be more than 1 meter. For easy maintenance, the control cabinet beside the unit. The distance between the operation surface and the wall is recommended to be more than 1.8 meters to facilitate the operator to operate the control panel. Second, the cooling system. The installation site should have good ventilation. The inlet and outlet air should be at both ends of the room to avoid hot air recirculation and overheating of the unit. The generator end should ensure sufficient air inlets, and the outlet should be 15 times the tank area or more to ensure sufficient air enters. To ensure output power and cooling during the operation of the unit, the air inlet and outlet. Third, the exhaust system. The smoke exhaust port should be in the same direction. The muffler should be suspended by a hanger, be firmly suspended from the upper part of the room, or supported by ground brackets, and connected with corrugated pipes to eliminate the stress on the turbocharger. To ensure the exhaust pipe is unobstructed, there should not be too many elbows. In addition, to prevent rainwater from entering the pipe, the pipeline should be tilted outward and use a slanted cut or rainproof cap at the outlet. Fourth, the fuel system. The fuel tank should be located properly when exceeding the specified height and distance. A 2-stage fuel tank is required. Meanwhile, the fuel pipe should be made of suitable materials, ensuring the smooth flow of fuel. The above are the installation methods of the engine group shared. I hope it can help you all.